So basically every Mac user uses Spotlight. But what if I told you that it was bad and there were actually a better alternative? Well, it is bad, and the way better alternative is Alfred. Except for opening apps, Alfred has a lot more features, and I even did some macOS magic to make Alfred even better. I went to the system settings, keyboard shortcuts, Spotlight, and made sure the first option is disabled. Then I went into the Alfred preferences, general, and set the Alfred hotkey to Command Spacebar. Now if you press Command Spacebar, Alfred will show up. The only way to toggle Spotlight now is the F4 key. I generally prefer macOS over Windows, but not when it comes to switching apps. Until I downloaded Alt Tab, because it's basically a knockoff of the Windows switcher thing, you know what I mean. So as a YouTuber, I don't just love to make videos, but also to watch them. But watching YouTube steals time, a lot of time. So self-control lets me block websites for a certain amount of time. If you wonder, on my block list is YouTube, YouTube Studio, and Instagram. Since I'm no native speaker, I'm not that familiar with the English grammar. The reason my videos still sound so good is called Language Tool. I can paste my text into it, and Language Tool will tell me how good or bad the text is. These videos have thumbnails, and I make them in Figma. It's actually a software design tool, a widely used software design tool, but it's also great for thumbnails and generally graphics. I'm a computer nerd, so I love to use several operating systems at once, but with an Apple Silicon machine, this is basically impossible unless you use virtualization, which is exactly what I do with UTM. So I can just click this button and use Windows. By the way, I also made a tutorial teaching you how to do that. It's linked in the description and up there. The last step for this video is actually requested by a viewer, local send, and I definitely see why. So as you might know, I use an Android phone together with a Mac, and I'm used to be an iPhone user too. Mostly I don't regret the switch, but I miss AirDrop. So local send brings a similar experience while running on Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and iOS. And these are all apps for this video. But if you want to see even more free Mac apps, and I guarantee you do, click this video right here.